Hi guys, how to check storage on the MacBook. So you need to click on Apple icon. Then after you need to click on about this Mac. So you have option overview, display, storage, support and resource. You need to click on the storage. Then after you can see in my laptop I have 994.66 GB space. So available space is 916 GB is free. So let's suppose you want to manage this space. You just need to click on the manage. So then after you can check how much storage is occupied by which application. Like applications occupied 10 GB, bin occupied this one, document this one, iCloud this one. So you can free up the space. But let's suppose I want to free the space from application. I want to remove this screen recorder. So what I can do, I can just uh, select the screen recorder and just click on the delete button, so I can free up the space. So like about 300 MB the space is free. So thanks for watching this video.